Hello everyone, welcome to FX Zone YouTube channel and my name is Deepak. Hope you are good and doing trading with good discipline and money management. So today's date is 29th March and today I took a trade on AUD JPY pair. So before discussing about the reason of the trade, watch this live recording of the trade. Hope you guys enjoy the live recording of the trade. So now we will discuss about the reason of this trade. The first reason of this trade is that the market is moving in a strong uptrend. You can see here AUD JPY is moving in a strong uptrend. Always remember, trend is your friend. Never go against the trend. So first reason is the market is moving in a strong uptrend. The second reason is that when market come to this area, it's starting moving to the upside from this zone. Market started moving to the upside and then it come back again at this zone and it formed a bullish candle here at this zone. Then I moved in 5-minute time frame. I will show here. Then I moved in 5-minute time frame. Now you will see here, this is a very strong structure. When market come to this structure, it moved to the upside, then it come back again this structure and then it show the momentum to the upside. Now again it come back to this structure and here you can see here the market formed a double bottom pattern. I will show you. Here if you see here, the market formed a double bottom pattern here. This is the first and this is the second bottom. Then market break this zone very strongly. So we have many confirmation from this area. Then I took my trade here and put my stop loss in the middle of this consolidation phase, and this was my target and market hits my target and I got around $232 from this trade. Hope you learned something new from this video. So always wait for a good opportunity to trade and always trade in the direction of the trend. Never go against the trend. And if you enjoy the video, then like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care guys. Bye bye.